Industries that mainly benefit from procurement auctions. Procurement auctions, which can increase cost efficiency, increase supplier competition, and streamline processes, are applicable to many industries. While the benefits are universal, certain sectors stand out as particularly well-suited to reap the benefits of procurement auctions. Let's take a closer look at the 8 most important. Let's start with the manufacturing and raw materials industries. Procurement auctions play a key role in the manufacturing sector, especially for companies dependent on raw materials. By fostering competition between suppliers, organizations can secure cost-effective sources of raw materials while optimizing production costs. In the construction and infrastructure sector, where projects are often capital-intensive and time-sensitive, procurement auctions offer a simplified approach to sourcing materials, equipment, and services. This can range from the procurement of steel and concrete to specialized services. In the fast-paced world of IT and telecoms, where technology is evolving rapidly, procurement auctions can help with the procurement of hardware, software, and services. By encouraging suppliers to offer the most competitive prices and innovative solutions, companies can stay at the forefront of technological advances. The health and pharmaceutical industries, characterized by high-quality standards and regulatory requirements, benefit from transparency and fairness in procurement. In addition to cost savings, auctions facilitate the procurement of quality medical supplies, equipment, and medicines. Procurement auctions are important in the energy and utilities sector, covering areas such as renewable energy projects, equipment procurement, and maintenance services. Procurement allows organizations to procure energy-efficient technology while ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. In addition, auctions can facilitate the procurement of components or raw materials for energy production and distribution. Retailers and manufacturers of consumer goods can use procurement auctions to optimize their supply chains. Whether they are sourcing raw materials to manufacture products or selecting suppliers for finished goods, auctions provide a platform to balance cost efficiency and quality. In the transport and logistics sector, where efficiency is a key priority, procurement auctions contribute to the procurement of vehicles, equipment, and services. Air carriers, shipping companies, and logistics service providers benefit from the cost savings resulting from tendering. Last but not least is the government and public sector. Public procurement offers governments and public sector entities a transparent and accountable means of procuring goods and services. From infrastructure projects to public services, auctions ensure taxpayers' money is used efficiently. Short recap. In essence, the adaptability of procurement auctions makes them valuable in different industries. While the specific benefits may vary, the overall impact is to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and promote innovation. As technology continues to play a central role in shaping procurement practices, those industries that exploit the potential of procurement transformation are likely to gain a strategic advantage in today's competitive business landscape. So, now, please take a look and start your first procurement auction with Business Call, also known as BusyCall.com.